All right, so on today's Math 8 bell work, all you are doing is reviewing the concepts we went over yesterday. So this is applying the triangle sum theorem to solve for an x value and to solve for the measure of an unknown angle. So go ahead, take a couple minutes to solve this on your own. Then I want you to pause this video and go through the work, making sure you got it correct. And if you missed something, then obviously make corrections. This bell work is going to carry over to next week, so when you're done with that, you'll put it in a safe spot. So go ahead, pause the video, do the bell work, and then use the video to complete it. Okay, welcome back. So we are doing the triangle sum theorem, which says that all three angles in a triangle have to add up to 180 degrees. Again, theorems are like laws of mathematics, so they are relationships with numbers that have never been disproven, so we kind of accept them as fact. So in this example, I have three things going on. I have 10x minus 5, that's the label for an angle I don't know. I have 35 degrees, that's the label for an angle I do know. And then I have the little right angle box, meaning that I have a 90-degree angle. So the three things I'm going to add up are 35 plus 90 plus 10x minus 5, and that equals 180 degrees. Again, we're just going to take the things that I was given. So it's basically one angle, the second angle, and then the third angle, and I add them up. We do want to pay special attention to our like terms. So again, these can be in any order, and I want to add up 35, 90, and minus 5. So I'm going to have 35 and negative 5, that gives me 30. So 30 plus 90 is 120, plus 10x equals 180. And then I will go through the general process of solving for x. So I'm always going to subtract 120 or subtract whatever constant I have, whatever number I have that does not have a variable. So I have 10x equals 60. And then to solve for x, I'm going to divide both sides by 10. And I get x equals 6. So with that work, I have answered one of the questions, solve for x. Now I am asked to find the measure of angle A. So the measure of angle A is 10x minus 5. I then use that and the x value I just solved for to solve for A. So A is going to be 10 times the x value, so 10 times 6 minus 5. 10 times 6 is 60 minus 5. So the measure of angle A is 55 degrees. You could also check that just knowing the triangle sum theorem. I have a 90-degree angle, I have a 35-degree angle, so 180 minus 90 minus 35 gives me 55 degrees. It's awesome if you can check a problem like that, because then you can turn in the test knowing exactly how you would do. So put this in a safe spot. You're welcome to put it in your folder in the classroom or in your binder. And however you organize your stuff. And then we are going to be working on the review sheet. So the expectation is that you try the review sheet on your own, then you use the video and the answer key that is posted to check your work and get questions answered. Again, library level voices and any excess questions that you're really just confused on and can't get help, you can ask me on Monday. See you guys later.